Hey, John Crestani here, and in this video I'm going to be going over a really interesting network called AdFly, which gives you money just if people click on your links. So you actually don't even need to get people to buy anything. All you need to be able to do is get somebody to click on a link, and you make money through the AdFly affiliate program. And what I'm going to be going through is how you get paid by PayPal. You'll also get paid by Payoneer. Okay, the payout limit is very low here. All you have to do is earn $5 in order to start getting paid via PayPal or Payoneer. Now, you can do this anywhere in the world, no matter what age you are, which is great. And I'm also going to be going over some terms that are going to help you understand this as I go through things on my computer. I'm also going to go through some advanced terms to help you understand the business better so that you can make the most money. And I'll be sharing some resources with you about other affiliate networks that I recommend. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving away free link posting software. This is software we've developed. It's in beta currently. You can be one of the first users to get it, and I'll show you how at the end of the video. You'll get free community access, and I'll also tell you one of the top wealth secrets that I've discovered that if I made a video about, nobody would care about, but you might be interested in, and I'll share that towards the end of the video. Talk to you soon. So let's get into this. Here we are on the site AdFly, and as you'll see, it's adfly.com. What it is it's a link shortener. Basically, you can put in any link here, and you can, we say, I don't know, google.com, and it will shorten links. But what's interesting about this is that you can actually get paid for the links you get shortened in. And as you see, I'm already earning money here. It's not really much, but we'll discuss that and whether this is a good opportunity in a little bit. Also to note is I will be referencing this sheet, okay? It's called the Top Affiliate Networks sheet, and it has all of the affiliate networks that I've currently reviewed or am going to review, as well as analysis of whether, it takes approvals, what countries are accepted offers. So I'll be referencing this sheet throughout the program. And you can join if you want to join any of these affiliate networks, you can do so by clicking the links on the left side or the right side of the screen. But I'm going to be explaining all of this gobbledygook in just a second here. Now, once again, that link is johncrestani.com/networks, and you can pause the screen if you need to copy down this link, or if you can't see it on your phone. I see you using this on your phone. Stop being, and if you are using this on your phone, the portrait mode, guys, flip it to freaking landscape mode. You're using it for portrait mode because you just want to scroll through the comments while I'm talking. If I just called you out, type in I just called you out. Okay, so let's get through this. Now, to sign up for AdFly, you'll go to the link that says Join Now right here. Okay, and you'll have to enter in a number of information, your name, what username you want, your email, and what type of account you'll want to select is you'll want to select Link Shrinker. And this is because you want to get paid. Okay, if you want to advertise on AdFly, you can select advertiser, and you can pay to get your website advertised. But don't worry about that right now. All we care about is making money, not paying money. I'm pretty sure. That's what my audience wants. So you can set it up here, and we go through there. Okay. Now, once you're in AdFly, you'll see the dashboard. And what's cool is that I've talked about this program in the past because it is a very easy program to do. So we'll actually look through the referrals I've sent, and we'll look through the amount of money that some of my referrals have made by doing this. Okay. Now, what's great about this is a great program for people who have lots and lots and lots of traffic but have no idea how to monetize it. Now, as you see here, if we type in a website and we click enter, it'll give us a new website right here. Let's try to type in Tesla. Let's try this. Do another. Okay. We type in tesla.com, and then we type in shrink, and it gives us this code. Okay, this other website. Now, what this is what's called either a short link or a redirect. And this will eventually take somebody to Tesla.com. And we can test this out by typing it in. As you see, I'm typing in the site right here. I'm going to click enter. Now what happens when you do that is you will earn a fraction of a penny. So you don't actually earn a lot of money. But what's great about this is you don't have to get people to buy anything. If you are worried, if you think, oh, nobody will buy anything from me, then you can use programs like this and make money. Now, it does a few things. This is how AdFly makes money. This is how AdFly affords to pay you money without you actually making them any money. They put up what's called push notifications. So they get a lot of people on push notification lists. I'm going to click deny because I don't want more ads. And also they show an ad. Okay, right here is a big ad. Okay, this is not Tesla.com. So inbox dollars paid money to show up right here. So in our case, we're just going to click skip ad. And you'll see eventually we end up on Tesla.com, and you can check out all their cool cars. So this brings us to a few important terms. There's short link. Short link is when you take a normal link and you just kind of make it smaller and prettier and easier to post in social media. Okay. Redirect is when you type in a website and it goes to one URL first, and then it redirects to another website, such as Tesla.com. Okay. Now, the purpose of redirects is oftentimes it's an affiliate marketing for tracking. It's similar to what we call a referral. It's where you speak with one person and then they refer you to another person and they get a cut of the profits. For those of you that have done backpacking or are familiar with the tourism industry, you'll notice, in a lot of major cities around the world, you'll find somebody standing in, city squares and they'll say, oh, are you looking for a good shop to go to or a good tour guide? And they'll take you and they'll show you a good tour guide, and that they get a cut if you end up paying the tour guide. So that's a redirect, and it's how affiliate marketing works. And the advertiser is the company that's actually paying for ads and ultimately how we all make money. Now, the advanced terms I was going to go over we're getting to a couple of these, which is pop ads. Pop ads are ads that pop up on top of your computer, that pop up over your browser. That's another thing that AdFly does. A lot of browsers like Chrome and Firefox don't allow pop-up ads, but it's a great way to advertise. I've done a lot of advertising on pop-up ads, and usually pop-up ads cost less than a penny. Okay? That's why, AdFly will show ads for a penny. They get a penny when they show an ad, and they give you, for creating the click, about 1/10 of a penny. And just to illustrate it, it's, let's say you have a website, you have Facebook, and then something pops up on top, and it's a new browser, and you can exit out. Push ads are another type of advertisement, and we saw them in the bottom of the screen earlier. And they're when these little notifications show up at the bottom of your screen, or in your browser, or even on your computer, which has little text on it. Okay. They also show up on your phone. When you're using your phone, you'll see a little notification pop up to try to get your attention back to the phone and do whatever the notification wants to do. Maybe it's go back to Facebook, or use WhatsApp, or go back to Twitter. Somebody messaged you on, Tinder. Push notifications are a very useful form of advertising. Obviously, people react to push notifications all day long. I mean, how many times do you open up your phone per day because you get a push notification? Type it in the comments below. Guesstimate. I'd love to know, because it kind of illustrates how well push notifications work. And last but not least is we're going to get into the word refer, and I'll go over that on my computer. Now, the one glaringly obvious thing you might notice here is that the actual amount of money I've earned is 1.5 pennies. Okay, and you'll see here total earnings is just a little over 2 pennies. It's pretty pathetic. And the amount of money that you can get paid out per click is disgustingly low. It's, you get about 1/10 of a penny per click, or this is 2/10 of a penny per click. So each click is not actually worth a lot of money. And again, that's because you're not really doing much. Okay, you're not a very good marketer if you're not able to create sales. If you're just getting people to click on ads, I mean, you could be clicking on your own ads. They know that. AdFly knows this. You know this. Everybody knows this. It's too easy to game the system if you're not actually creating a customer that's whipping out a credit card or something along those lines. So you don't get paid much. And you'll see my referrals don't get paid a lot of money at all. You know, I did a video about AdFly in the past and 184 people signed up. And of those 184 people who signed up, they only earned a total of 54 cents. Okay. Not a lot of money. So there's just not a lot of money in trying to do affiliate marketing for stuff where you're not actually creating a real lead or a real customer. You're going to get paid very little money if you can't create customers in affiliate marketing. Now, that being said, this company exists for a reason. There is a business model here. There are people that get paid a lot of money, and you'll see, you know, links clicked today. If you go to their homepage, 4 million links were clicked today from their users. So that's a lot of clicks, but if we actually whip out the calculator and do the math, that means in total across all their users, only about $8,700 was earned so far today by their users. So there's opportunity and there's obviously money there, but really it's only useful if you completely have no other way to monetize your traffic. And also if you're not able to use more legitimate forms of advertising such as AdSense or what have you, or native ads. Now going through this sheet, you'll see that what is good about this is that anybody from anywhere over the world can sign up. There is no approval. So you actually, even if, no matter what country you're in, you can start earning money. And there are no excluded countries here. There's only one offer. There's no approval for offers either, which means you can join the network without approval. You can start making money without approval, and you'll get paid. And there's nothing stopping you from earning money. The bad news is that it's just very, very little. And that's kind of what you find with these sorts of programs. The support, there's no support. There is no training. There are tools and training. So if you actually are looking at this as a way to start earning money, what you can do is I would suggest you hop over to their forum right here, okay, where it says forum after you sign up, and you talk with people about how to actually get traffic. And they go over ways of getting traffic right here. You'll see getting traffic, okay, right here. They talk about legitimate traffic methods of getting traffic to AdFly. I talk about a lot of them in my channel, but you can also check them out from their own forum here. There's over 2,500 posts on that. So I hope you like reading, because there will be a lot of reading. Now, if you're looking for my own free traffic methods, what I suggest you do is first I suggest you go over to my network sheet right here, johncrestani.com/networks. And you check out my top affiliate networks and you join whatever networks that you find most appealing to you. There's a bunch of affiliate networks here. I suggest you join them all. Okay, join as many as you can, because all you need to do is get accepted to one affiliate network so you can start earning money. Okay, AdFly I don't think is a very good choice, but I'd say it's still worth it to join it just to get another possible source of money, especially if you're in a third world country where you really have, very few options. Not many of these companies want to work with you. I'm sorry, I didn't make the rules. So I suggest you join all of the programs. Next, if you'd like to get my free traffic methods, go over here to the resources tab, okay? So as you saw, I clicked right here, the resources tab, and I have a whole section on how to get traffic for free, okay? You want to click that right here, and it will take you to a page which will show you all of my free traffic methods. You can learn how to get free traffic from Instagram, Facebook, Google, free ads, texting people, Pinterest, Craigslist, online events. I have all these free traffic methods right here prepared for you. Go through them. Please don't ask any more comments on my channel. How do I get traffic? Because I've shot all these videos for you. Next is if you want to get my free software, this is actually a way to get traffic for free without really even doing anything, without posting anything. All you have to do is fill in the information in the software, and that software is right here. This software is pretty gnarly. We just released it. You're going to get a virus warning when you download it, and probably when you start using it. But it's fine to be on your computer. It's just we haven't like registered the certificate and stuff yet. Now, as for the wealth secret, this is a big one. And I don't do videos about these because I don't find many people are actually interested in them, but I just figured I'd throw in a few tidbits at the end. And I'm going to tell you how you can actually get multi-millionaire mentors to help you out for free. This has been one of the big reasons for my success. I've had a lot of mentors and I've had them help me out for free actually in an amazing way. And what the trick is old people, okay? Old people have time on their hands. They have, you find multimillionaires who have worked preferably in your exact same business. So remember, just like affiliate marketing, we want to think about it like this, targeting, okay? You want to be targeted with who you're reaching out for to help you with your business. And having multimillionaires around you, helping you out, telling you what to do next in a business that they've already done before is, I cannot stress enough how valuable this is. None of what I do, it may on face value look like, and sure luck is involved to some degree, but how I go about business, how I go about life, it's not happen chance. It's easy. I just follow directions. I just do what I'm told. I'm not taking chances. Nothing is left up to chance. I'm just taking orders, essentially, from following very rich people. And that's because I do outreach. I find people who've been in my industry, and our industry is called direct response, okay? Affiliate marketing is just a subset of, you won't find old people who've done affiliate marketing, but you'll find old people who have done direct response, okay, in your country. All of these things are changing. You have to understand that the same things that are being sold today have been sold for thousands and thousands of years. I'm teaching you how to make money right now, but online. But 200 years ago, people were teaching people, that people were selling guides on how to move out to California, on where to find the gold, on how to pan for gold. There's always been industries like everything that exists today existed 1,000 years ago. And so once you stop thinking you're special, once you get rid of your ego, you'll start to realize that all of this is very simple. And it all starts with getting rid of your own ego. That's just a bigger lesson. But I get targeted. I find older people who have been very successful and made millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions, even billions of dollars in what I'm doing. And I contact them. Because most old people, it's sad, most people, children kind of just, they move out of their parents' house, they let them be all alone, they put them in a nursing home, they just avoid them. So older folk have a lot of time on their hands, and a lot of them have very, you have very sharp brains, unless you have like Alzheimer's or something. So you should look up to older folk and ask them, what do I do? Involve them in what you're doing. Say, hey, can you give me some advice on what you think I should do next? Okay. I'm trying to start this type of business. I see you've run a very successful business, sir. What would be your suggestions for me? And talk to them and form relationships. I've done this in all of my businesses. I don't know. That's it. It doesn't really get much easier than that. As I said, I have people who have earned hundreds of millions of dollars around me who give me their time for free just because they're excited about being involved in something that's going on because they're retired. And that's the other key is you want to find people who are retired. Okay. And not everybody's going to say, oh yeah, I'll spend hours with you for free every day. But some people will. And you'll find those people, and that will lead you on a path towards getting a massive leg up in anything you're doing in life. and you'll be on the path to lead an uncommon life, which is truly magical. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you'd like more kind of wealth secrets at the end of my videos. Let me know your thoughts on this, and let me know what other affiliate programs or networks you'd like to see me talk about next. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.